smashing stuff. Well, apparently that didn't do nothing.
It's scratched it, maybe.
I'm gonna try this one. Oh, the dog's moving. Oh, right down here. Then. So it busted up that. Go again.
Okay.
We're gonna have a mess. Here's a chip. I might want to keep that.
You can build something else with that. Don't break it. Don't break it.
I got it off.
We'll have to take the whole other parts apart pieces. No, if you want to keep the motherboard, that's the motherboard. But
Well,
there's
that's destroyed.
there goes the other wheel.
And
I'm gonna keep this wheel.
we're gonna try this one more time.
Let me move back here. Whoa, there we go. I'm gonna go back up here and show you.
Hey Evie, let's go in there and give me another truck.
I don't know where the other truck is.
Guys, tell me how to pause the iPad iOS 7. And I'm going to see you on the next video because we got to go find another truck. And if I know how to pause it, well, we don't have one. So, see you guys.